కాశీనాథ్ సార్ మీరు మొత్తం లైవ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఎస్ రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అనండి, అప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది మేడం. ఓకే రైట్
మేడం. స్టార్ట్ మేడం.
స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా?
ఎస్ మేడం.
Okay. Good afternoon, students. Sorry for the disturbance. Now we will start the Rana diagram studies. First of all, before knowing all the characters of frogs and toads and systems of the frogs and toads, you should know what are the hibernation activation phenomena which can occur in the frog. Hibernation is nothing but to tide over unfavorable conditions which are present in the environment. These animals can hide themselves under the soft mud. That phenomenon is called as hibernation in the times of cold. Are you understood? In the times of cold, the frogs which undergo hibernation phenomena, that is nothing but they have to hide themselves under the soft mud. Then an activation is nothing but in the same phenomena which can tide over the unfavorable conditions in the hot conditions. Hot conditions lo hibernation velte ganaka activation antunam, cold conditions lo ganaka velte ganaka dani hibernation antunam. That is nothing but sleep. Winter sleep and the summer sleep. Advantages phenomena which can occur in the frogs to tide over unfavorable conditions. In those sleeps, they can utilize their glycogen and fat materials as food. So not only that, the physiological activities are slowed down. So after acquiring the normal conditions, they have to conduct their normal activities, isn't it? That is the hibernation and the activation. They will come in IP examination for 2 marks questions. Are you clear? Then come to the life cycle of Rana tigrina. When we observe Rana tigrina, previously I have drawn a diagram on the blackboard. Unfortunately, the net was not connected, so that you have to see the diagram of Rana tigrina frog. The body can be divisible into 2 parts. They are head and trunk. Head and trunk. So the neck tail are absent. Head, trunk are present. Dorso-ventrally flattened body. So when you observe the dorsal side, which is olive green in color, ventral side, which is a light yellow colored body. Anteriorly, 1 pair of appendages. Posteriorly, 1 pair of appendages. Those are called as forelimbs and hind limbs. The hind limbs are longer than that of the forelimbs, and 5-toed, 5 digits are present. These toes are webbed. Webbed means when we observe the extensions of skin in between toes, those are called as webbed toes. These webbed toes are utilizing to the environment for the to the animal in the case of moving in the water. So webbed toes are present. They are 5 in number in the case of hind limbs, whereas in the case of forelimbs, the toes are 4 in number. So comparatively, the hind limbs are longer, stouter than that of the forelimbs, right? So they are useful structures for swimming in the water, leaping on the terrestrial environment, jumping, crawling. So for all these purposes, these locomotory structures are present. They are 4 in number, so that they are come under tetrapoda group, right? And when we observe the habit and habitat of the animal, where it lives, habitat and habitat. Habit means what are the habits of you? And habits enti. So basically, these frogs are carnivores. Carnivore means carnivore eat flesh material. Carnivores. Herbivores eat on grasses or vegetables, herbivores, omnivores, they have to eat plant materials as well as animal materials. Omnivores, we are omnivores, right? So the carnivores, habitat, where it can live, They have to live diverse environments like water, terrestrial environments, muds, whatever the case it may be, they have to live in the diverse environments, right? Then come to the coelom. What type of coelom is present in the case of amphibians? In the case of amphibians, what type of coelom? True coelom. True coelom is present. So the visceral organs. What are the viscera? Visceral organs. Visceral organs are nothing but the body cavity which can lodge all the organs of the systems. Those are collectively called as viscera. These visceral organs are surrounded by peritoneal visceral layer. Peritoneal visceral layer. So I already told you the body cavity which can be surrounded by two mesodermal layers. Two mesodermal layers, then only the cavity is called as a true coelom. Here the peritoneal layer is a mesodermal layer. That's why we have to discuss about the frog which can come under eucoelomate. Right, visceral organs are lodged in the body cavity, surrounded by peritoneal layers. Let's come to the digestive system of frog. Digestive system of frog. And we observe digestive system basically elementary canal and digestive glands. Collectively called as digestive system. Elementary canal starting with the mouth, then buccal cavity, pharynx. So pharyngeal cavity, buccal cavity collectively form as a common chamber, that is bucco-pharyngeal cavity. Then esophagus, stomach, and intestine, large intestine, ultimately anus, which can open into cloaca. These are all parts which are present in the alimentary canal. Starting with mouth, ends with anus. The total structure is called as alimentary canal. It is short because it is a carnivore animal. Because of carnivore, the alimentary canal is short. So, along with all these structures, digestive glands are also present. What are the digestive? One by one we have to discuss. Mouth, in between two jaws, upper jaw, lower jaw. In between two jaws, the half oval shaped opening is called, that is called as mouth. Mouth leads into buccopharyngeal cavity. It is a common chamber. It can lead into a short esophagus. Then it can ultimately merges with the a sac-like structure, that is stomach. Stomach is located in the lateral side of the body. We have to draw the stomach on the right side. It means in opposite direction we have to observe the structure of the digestive tract. So that we have to draw the stomach at right side. Actual location is at left side. The stomach is present. It is a sac-like structure. The stomach anteriorly, posteriorly, which can guarded by two sphincters. They are called as cardiac and pyloric sphincters. I will draw the diagram later. Why? Because the time is only 10 minutes more. In next class, I will a detailed diagram will draw on the blackboard. You have to practice it in your notebooks. You should also draw the diagram of elementary digestive tract of the frog. Then the cardiac sphincter located in the posterior area of the stomach. The pyloric sphincter located in the anterior region having the cardiac sphincter. Posterior region of the stomach having the pyloric sphincters. These two presence of these two sphincters, the passage of food material can be regulated. Right. Then the stomach leads into an intestine. The anterior part of intestine is duodenum. The posterior part of the intestine is called as ileum. I will ask the question in the next class. Ileum, I-L-E-U-M. Ileum is the posterior part of the small intestine. Right. So this small intestine ultimately leads into large intestine. Large intestine is in the form of a sac-like structure that is nothing but the rectum. Rectum, which can lead into an anus. Anus is a pore which can open into a cloaca. Cloaca is a common chamber for the openings of digestive tract as well as urinogenital tracts. That's why in the case of amphibia, we have to say it as a cloaca but not anus. Anus cannot be directly opens into external environment. It can be opens into cloaca. It is a common chamber for the passage of an anus, alimentary canal, as well as urinogenital tract. So these are all the structures which can present in the alimentary canal of the frog, along with the associated glands. Those are called as digestive glands. What are the digestive glands which can present in the case of frog? First of all, the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. Then liver, it is the largest gland which is present in the right side of the body cavity, so that the stomach can be forced to accommodate in the left side. Then it is the largest gland. Third is the intestinal glands. Then pancreas. Gastric glands which can located in the wall of the stomach, they can secrete gastric juice. Liver, it is the largest gland, secrete bile juice. Right. Intestinal glands secrete intestinal juice, which is also called as succus entericus. The intestinal juice, what is the other name for intestinal juice? Succus entericus. Then the pancreas is a mixed gland. Why I call it as mixed gland? It is not a perfect endocrine and it is not a perfect exocrine. Endocrine part is present for the releasing of hormones. Those are you knowing about pancreas? Pancreas have islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans which are present in the pancreas they can secrete insulin and glucagon hormone. The sugar level in the body can be regulated by these two hormones, insulin and glucagon, secreted by the endocrine part of the pancreas. That is islets of Langerhans. Those are the structures located in the pancreas. They can secrete hormones. The exocrine part of pancreas, which can that's why exocrine part is present, endocrine part is present. That's why the pancreas is called as mixed gland. So the exocrine part of pancreas releases pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. They can have carbohydrates, lipases, proteases. So carbohydrates, lipids, proteins are the food materials present in the food of Rana tigrina, that is the frog. These three components can be digested by the enzymes secreted from digestive glands. Those are gastric, intestinal, and pancreas. So the mixing up of these all enzymes with the food can be gradually digested and forms as simple substances from the carbohydrates. Normal sugars are erased, are developed, are digested. Then from lipids, amino acids are digested. Digested means formed. The end products from the carbohydrates are the monosugars. From the proteins are the amino acids. From the lipids, those are fatty acids, glycerols, isn't it? So the food is digested from stomach to small intestine with the help of all these enzymes secreted from the glands associated with the alimentary canal. Are you understood? Are you understood? When the food is actually capturing, how to capture the food material? When we observe the mouth of the frog, which can have a long tongue connected at the anterior region, but the posterior part of the tongue is free. Capturing of the food material by the tongue, it can lay the tongue region towards long distances and collect the insects and all materials which is available at the vicinity of the frog. So it can collect food with the help of tongue and entered into the buccopharyngeal cavity. In the buccopharyngeal cavity, salivary glands are present. The saliva mixed with the food material and travel towards the buccopharyngeal cavity into the esophagus. From esophagus, it can enter into the stomach through the cardiac sphincter. When it enter into the stomach can release gastric juice. Why? Because gastric glands are located on the wall of the stomach. Gastric juice can be liberated. It can mixing with the food material which is already present in the lumen of the stomach. So the semi-digestion can be occurred in the stomach. That is nothing but chyme. This chyme can travel through the pyloric sphincter into the intestine. The intestine can have the food material now. It can also receive the juices from the pancreas and liver. The liver which can have the cells, these cells release bile juice. Bile juice. This bile juice can be stored in the gallbladder, which is present in the liver. So the gallbladder, which is filled with the bile juice, it can travel through the lymphatic duct. This lymphatic duct travels towards the small intestine. That is the ileum. It is a U-shaped, not ileum, duodenum U-shaped structure. Into duodenum, this lymphatic duct travels. Along with the journey, it can receive another duct, that is pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct joins with the lymphatic duct. Hepatic duct. So hepatic duct from the liver, it travels towards the duodenum. At the traveling pathway, it can receive the lymphatic duct. So pancreatic duct. Then hepatopancreatic duct formed. Are you understood? Travel towards the duodenum and receives liver నుంచి వచ్చేది hepatic duct. These two ducts join together and open into the lumen of the duodenum. That is called as hepatopancreatic duct. This hepatopancreatic duct releases one side bile juice and the other side
Madam,
pancreatic
please
juice.
conclude.
Okay, so because of the disturbance, I am totally bypassing also the net is not properly connecting. So we have to discuss in a detailed fashion in the next class. Why? Because before discussing the system of any animal, we have to draw the diagram on the blackboard. Because of the time circle, I am not drawing the diagram now. Tomorrow class or whatever the class, what is time of the class, I will draw the diagram. You have also draw diagram of the digestive tract of a frog in your notebook and see and observe what are the organs, what are the structures which are present in the alimentary canal and digestive glands of the frog. Isn't it? Okay, thank you. Good morning. అయితే నాకు భలే చికాకు అనిపిస్తుంది అసలు. మళ్ళీ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. Why? Because రిమూవ్ వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఇట్ ఇస్ ద రాంగ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఉంటుంది.
సెల్ఫీ కాబట్టి కొంచెం మాకు జాబ్ సెంటర్ కాబట్టి ఏం అర్థం కాబట్టి మేడం మంచిగా చెప్పింది చెప్పేసి